Hi everyone, Mr. Wallace here to go over a couple instructional best practices for the online learning community. If you were a 49ers fan this evening, sorry about that heartbreaking loss. If you're a Kansas City fan, Patrick Mahomes, Travis Kelsey, or if you're one of those Swifties out there, you're probably having a pretty good evening. So good job to you guys. But to go on here, the online learning tasks that I chose are lesson planning and student engagement. For lesson planning, I'm going to focus on collaborative lesson planning, and I'm going to use Google Docs to do that. And then for student engagement, we're going to be using interactive media. And then the one I'm going to focus on for that is called Edpuzzle. So the first learning task is lesson planning, and the best practices collaborative lesson planning. And then the technology tool that I'm demonstrating for you shortly is Google Docs. Just as the objective is to essentially allow teachers to simultaneously edit or view a shared lesson plan document. You can be working on it at the same exact time or not. And then for the demonstration, we're going to go over exactly how multiple teachers can edit the Google Doc lesson or unit plan that I have available at once. And really the benefit to this is to help facilitate teacher collaboration, co-editing abilities. Hi everyone, Mr. Wallace here. I'm going to show you how to get to Google Docs and how you can use that in lesson planning collaboration. So quite simply, if you have a screen here, you can open a new window. You should already have your account logged in, such as I do here. It says, "Hi Adam." You'll click the waffle, it says Google Apps. You'll scroll down until you see Docs. You'll click it. And then I already kind of had one going here, but this one called K2 STEM, the arts. This is what me and my partner have decided to use for a K2 STEM art inquiry lesson. As you see here, here's our lesson plan, unit plan. And up top, this is how we share it. So we've already done this. So you can see here, Taylor, she's already added as an editor. And then also we have anyone with the link can view it as well. And we can also add other co-teachers or administrators, anyone that we would want to have access to collaborate with our unit plan. So quite simply, any of us can type in it, just as I'm seeing here. And maybe Taylor's at home also working on it right now, and she would be able to see me typing real time. You'll know that because constantly at the top, it has that little refresh button and it is saving. Thank you for watching my video on Google Docs and how to use it for unit or lesson plan collaboration. Hi, everyone. So to go on to the next one here, if we're focused on student engagement using that interactive media piece, such as Edpuzzle, the objective for that is to allow teachers to make videos to help interactivity and student engagement, just to kind of help make your lessons a little more enticing for students. And then I'm going to show you how to embed questions, add any types of audio notes into an instructional video using Edpuzzle. And then really the benefits for this are, as I've said, like to, help enhance student focus by that engagement piece. It can also provide instant feedback to the instructor, teacher, or whoever else might need that access. But I do highly suggest, if you're going to use this one, that you view the Edpuzzles how-to video or the how-to videos. They're well refined, they're time sensitive, and they're to the point. Hi everyone, Mr. Wallace here. This time I'm going to go over a website Edpuzzle with you. It's interactive media. It can help strengthen and create a sense of engagement for your lesson plans. Quite simple. You would open up, you go to your web browser, start typing edpuzzle.com. It's already in my search history, so I'm just going to hit enter. And it's going to take me already to the website as I'm logged in. So I'm already logged in because I've already created an account. When you first go to the website, you'll have to create an account just like you would for anything else. But once you're in here, this is what it would look like. Say, if you want to look up different lessons, you can certainly do that by community, school, YouTube, grade, National Geographic, Khan Academy. There's just a bunch of different ways that you can search content. But I'm looking specifically at kindergarten shapes, so I'm going to type it in. It's already a part of my search history. I'm going to look up kindergarten shapes. I see a basic shapes one right here, the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Once I have it clicked on it, I have a couple options. I can look down, I can play the video, I can see what some other people have done with the video. But really, I just want to take this and make it my own. So I'm going to copy it. Once I've copied it, I'm going to go to my content. And I see it here, my content, some other videos that I have. And then I'll click on the shapes. And here's this video now. So it already has embedded four already within the video, and I can click on those. For example, I clicked on the first one and it had some multiple choice question that says, what shape is this? That's fine. I like that question for kindergarten. It's only giving them two options, square, circle. So I'm going to keep it. If you want to add your own content, you can simply click edit. And now you have access to that whole video. And maybe at the very beginning, I want to add a note for my students just saying, hi friends, welcome to class today. And that's the first thing that they will see at the beginning of this video. But at the end, I want to ask maybe an open-ended question. What did you think about that shapes video? And then it's now in there, and then students will see that once they get to that part of the lesson on their own. And just to show you what that might look like, once it got to that check mark in the video where I've embedded my open-ended question, it stops the video and it has it right here. What did you think about the shapes video? And then I would drive on. You can add voice into it. You can cut parts of the video. There's a lot of different options you can do with these. I recommend kind of just exploring, navigating it first before doing anything else. Thank you for exploring Edpuzzle with me. Hi, everyone. So just to wrap up here as a conclusion, when we as educators improve our teaching practices, the students win. And by using Google Docs and Edpuzzle, those are just two key online learning tasks that you can use to help you do that. Thank you and have a good evening.